Starting a bathroom remodel project is an exciting endeavor, but it's essential to plan and consider various factors to ensure the process goes smoothly and you achieve your desired results. Here are some key considerations before embarking on a bathroom remodel project. Budget. Determine your budget and stick to it. Include not only the cost of materials and labor, but also contingency funds for unexpected expenses. Scope of work. Clearly define the scope of the project. Decide whether you're doing a full gut renovation or just making cosmetic updates. This will impact the timeline and budget. Design and layout. Plan the layout carefully to optimize the use of space and functionality. Consider factors like the placement of fixtures, storage options, and traffic flow. Permits and regulations. Check with your local authorities to understand any necessary permits and building codes that may apply to your renovation. Failure to comply can result in costly delays and fines. Plumbing and electrical. Assess the condition of the existing plumbing and electrical systems. Determine whether you need to upgrade or relocate fixtures, or if you can work with the existing setup. Ventilation. Adequate ventilation is also crucial to minimize humidity and maintain air quality. Materials and finishes. Choose durable, moisture-resistant materials suitable for the bathroom environment. Consider factors like tile, countertops, fixtures, and cabinetry. Lighting. Plan for adequate lighting, including task lighting. For grooming, ambient lighting for overall illumination, and accent lighting for aesthetics. Accessibility. If you plan to age in place or have family members with mobility issues, consider incorporating accessibility features such as grab bars, curbless showers, and wider doorways. Timeline. Establish a realistic timeline for the project, taking into account any potential delays. Communicate your timeline expectations with your contractors. Contractor selection. Seek a qualified and reputable contractor or team of professionals. Check references, licenses, insurance, and past work to ensure they're a good fit for your project. Project management. Decide whether you will manage the project yourself or hire a project manager. Effective project management is crucial to keep things on track. Sustainability. Consider eco-friendly options for materials and fixtures to reduce your environmental footprint. Look for water-saving fixtures and energy-efficient lighting. Storage and organization. Plan for adequate storage solutions to keep your bathroom organized and clutter-free. Consider built-in shelving, vanities with storage, and medicine cabinets. Lifestyle and preferences. Take your personal preferences and lifestyle into account when making design decisions. Your bathroom should reflect your style and meet your daily needs. Contingency plan. Prepare for the unexpected by having a contingency plan and setting aside some extra funds for unforeseen issues or changes in the project.